Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're out in the yard and we're talking about augers and conveyors. It's that time of the year. We've had a pretty nice winter so far, or late fall, but we're going to get into where we get some cold days. And so just a reminder, first thing you should do is drain your fuel tank, put new fresh fuel in there, and maybe even a little bit of some kind of gasoline antifreeze or some kind of gasoline fuel conditioner. Fire up your engine and let that run through so that you get some of that into the carb or into your fuel injection system. Just because these plastic tanks have a tendency to end up with a lot of condensation in them because of the freeze thaw that goes on in early fall. They sweat a lot and you get a lot of water in there, and of course that's just going to give you problems in your engine. The other thing that you want to look at is have a look at your oil. Check and make sure that your oil level is full, and if you've had trouble in the past, it may have hydraulic oil in it. Some setup crews put hydraulic oil in there. You can take this and change it over to ATF, or automatic transmission fluid. It's a little bit thinner. It runs a little bit better in the winter time. So you could switch it over to that if you're having issues. Other than that, make sure that you have your exhaust clamp on there, the hose that takes the air through the exhaust and then into the engine. A lot of guys take this clamp off and let the hose hang loose for the summertime. And what we want to do is put that back on so that it's drawing some nice warm air in, and it helps to keep your carb or your fuel injection system from freezing up. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.